What if I told you that you could integrate Allora inferences into your Node or TypeScript project within seconds? Well, fear not, because we have a new NPM module for Allora inferences that I'll show you how to integrate today. Let's dive into it. So first things first, you want to set up a new repository. I call this one Node Allora example. And now we're going to run some commands to set up Node in TypeScript. First thing I will run is npm init-y. And now I'll install some TypeScript modules. TypeScript and tsnode and types. And finally, I'll integrate TypeScript. npx tsc --init. And we're all set. Before we set up our index.ts file and log an inference, we're going to define our npm start command. So if I just go to package.json, I'm going to create a new script here. I'm going to call it start. And I'm going to run tsnode src index.ts. Now that we got that set up, let's create our index file. So I'll create a new folder, call it src, and then create a new file in here called index.ts. Now that we're all set up, let's install the Allora SDK. So I'll go here, I'll clear, and I will install the SDK running npm install at Allora labs /allora-sdk. All right, seems like the package was added successfully. So now let's create a script. I'll import Allora client, API client, as well as these ancillary modules to help you define your price prediction asset as well as the time frame. Cool. Now that we're all set there, let's create a script. So in high order, what we're going to do is define our client using the ChainSlug testnet, then define our price prediction timeframe and price prediction token and pack those into the getPricePrediction function. First, let's define our client. Oops. Allora client. We'll create a new API client. And all we need is the ChainSlug. So we'll define ChainSlug as testnet. And we don't need the API key as that is optional. Now we'll create a function. And this will be an asynchronous function. I'll call it pull price prediction. And we'll get the price prediction for Bitcoin on an 8-hour time frame. Awesome. Now we'll log this price prediction in the function and we'll run it. So I'm going to run npm start. Oh, looks like I didn't save my package.json. Save that. Oh. Save that and rerun. Awesome. We got our inference. As stated before, we have the signature here, as well as the network inference normalized. This is the outputted prediction from the network for what Bitcoin's price will be 8 hours from now. In addition, we have our confidence intervals, and those intervals determine the range of workers and show where workers are predicting comparatively to the network inference on a standard deviation graph. So in retrospect, this is a really easy way for you to install an npm Allora module and integrate it into your Node or TypeScript project within minutes. See you guys next time.